We got the fork caps here, and those are off the '06 Victory Vegas. And what we're going to do is drill a hole right through the center of this, and we're going to add a screw into them. So this is going to make it serviceable. Because right now, you can drain the oil out of them, but you can't fill it. There's no actual fill plug unless you're removing this. So if all you wanted to do was replace your oil in the forks, the only way you can do it is remove the entire cap, and this is under pressure. There's a collar in here with that spring, and these are very hard to put back in, especially by yourself. It's probably not going to happen. So drill and tap, put a screw in here, easy fix, I think. All right, let's get started. Okay, using a smaller bit first. Now, I don't want to clamp too tight on here because I don't want to make marks on this. So what I'm going to do is use a wrench to hold it in place. Just a tiny bit of oil on there. That is a thick cap. That's good. There we go. Alright, now with the one hole drilled, this is just the pilot. Now we turn to the actual bit you want to drill it out to. This is a 17/64. We're using a 5/16 by 18 teeth per inch set screw, and then of course you want the correct tap for that. All right.
Just like butter.
Yep. Alright, now to tap this, what I'm going to do, just to hold it nice and secure, I'm going to flip it upside down and bring it in, bring the tap in from the bottom to the top. Okay, with the tap set up, add just a little bit of oil. And the most important part is to get it started straight. Here we go. Every once in a while, back it off. It kind of cuts the excess off. Makes it easier to tap. Just clean this up. Okay, this is what they call a button top stainless screw, Allen style. We got a brass and a rubber gasket here, and we're going to use them both, and then that gives us a nice surface area for a seal. These do not have to be in all that tight. It's not like these forks they're not gas filled or anything like that. So So, right there. Now we can go ahead and reinstall these.
Genius!
Yeah, I guess so.